animatronic put this before it melts. So, hello, if you didn't know, my channel is Mia. I don't even know my actual channel name. It's actually really sad. I hope you're learning it so I can make a nice little intro. So yeah, like this. Okay, so what we're gonna do to start off is just like that. Just like that. It's already 6. Time flies when you're trying to teach others how to screen record. And I just do this so it doesn't fall out onto my computer and just pop the hole. Okay, this is bad, just spread it. Oh, my pants. Oh my god. Oh my god. Block it from getting to my computer. Oh, it squirted. Holy crap. Sorry. Whatever, it's gonna fall on the floor now. Some of the water, not all of it, obviously. So I'm just gonna mix it with the screen so no more pops get onto the screen. Here we go. Very good. Nothing else fell, so I'm guessing I mixed it in. Oh, actually I did. Sorry. It's getting stiff. Maybe I should have used my favorite slime. I'm actually gonna go ahead and get a new one. I think I'm gonna get the clear, the blue foam one. I bet it isn't gonna fit in the bag now. Barely fit before. That is so cool. Okay, here we go. Oh, I forgot about that though. Okay, so let's just. Oh, I hope the foam beads don't come out. Okay. It's already out. Okay, the water's coming. Okay. Okay. It's mixing. Oh my god, a little bit fell on my pants. God damn. This is so much fun. Kinda. Okay, this one actually feels a little better now. But the foam beads are gonna come out until I mix it. Look how cool that looks. Like, well, my view makes it look so cool. And like satisfying and stuff. I don't know about your view. I can't see from down there. At the computer though. I guess it's cool. Yeah. I'll be back when I'm done mixing it. I'll be right back. I'm finally done mixing it in. I'm gonna put some lotion. Hope that'll help it. I can just find my lotion for today. I forgot where I put my lotion. Um, my lotion smells really nice. There we go. Oh, okay, that's a little much. Um, I don't even know what I was doing. Whatever. Oh my god, you saw that rip? Just full on rip. Like, I'm tired of this bullcrap. This may actually help it. If it starts to melt, I have activator, so don't worry. It's just taking a long time to spin. Like, even getting into the slime is taking a while, but it actually did put a lot, so. Stop rushing it. Oh my god, it may actually feel better. I could feel it getting a little better. Mixing in. Oops, I didn't even squeeze it like that. I overactivated this time, so now I'm feeling it gets softer and stuff. So it's amazing. I haven't totally mixed in yet, so let me just do this for a few seconds. That was thick and juicy. It's actually done. Like, with all the mixing. I like it. Now, next we're gonna clean my silver. Not clean, like, to make it better, my silver one. Cleanse it of all its bad stuff. Like we did with this one. It stretches now, look at that! No foam beads are coming out? Damn, Mia. You did good. I may put some more foam beads in here later. I'll tell you, I'll put it in the comments if I do. Oh my god! They make a nice double. Okay, that's actually just really, really nice. It's actually so much fun now. Okay, so I'm gonna clean this all up and then go to the silver one and fix that one with you all. So I'm gonna pause and be right back. For a second, I thought I ended the video. Here we go. This is my silver one. So it's actually not too bad. It's just a little like hard and not like really the best. It's a little hard to poke and stuff. So I'm gonna start off with some water. Not too much, just a bit. Yeah, that's perfect. Good, good. Make a little bubble like this. Hope it doesn't break because that's how like that's how bad it is. But it'll break like that. So just mixing this stuff in. Maybe 6 or 8, like 6. Let's go through that. Here. Oh. Okay, so now that it's a little firm, I mean, the water did a good job. I'm gonna pick up all the other water and stuff and just swirl it like this and open that little hole in the middle. Put that, like that. It's less, but should be better. Okay, this one's actually a little harder to mix in, like it's breaking so firm. I don't know if the lotion, it made it stickier. Wait. Yeah, it's not done. Yeah, there it is. Okay, we need more lotion in here. Oh, it's actually getting better. Okay, so we need more lotion. Then I'll rate them after. I become those slime storytime people from TikTok. They waste their makeup. I'm not gonna waste makeup. I'm just gonna mix a lot of slime in together. Um, last but not time. Ooh, ooh, perfect. I knew a little bit of lotion would help. Wow. I need to mix this one and the foam beads together. I'm gonna do little pieces. 10 out of 10 for both of these. I'm just gonna break this into a little piece so I can mix that little piece into the blue. Like that. Leave it open, just in case. Take a little piece of the blue. A little piece. And mix. It's a blue glitter with foam beads. That's gorgeous. I'm actually just use this. Just like mix it together. Okay, time to mix it. I think it's a little more glitter than the blue one. Here we go, and mix. Oh my god, they're so pretty. You can't even see the blue. You can't even see the blue. Okay. I actually really like this gold, huge, nice, and maybe about a 7. I'm gonna be live on New Year's or New Year's Eve, whichever. 7. Or New Year's Eve, whichever one. So yeah. Now I'm gonna mix in a little piece of this with a little piece of the huge purple pink thingy one. And we just make this one huge batch of slime. Pretty. Add more slime. Sure. Okay, there you go. There we go. Sorry, I'm struggling to get into the bag. Okay. Overall, this bag is 10 out of 10 slime. Take some of this. Now let's open my huge pink bag. Oh, now that I think about it, this one's firmer than that. So, all the other pieces. There we go. Now we see that. You could tell the difference. Pink with glitters. Yeah, I like it. So, this one's like breaking all the time. Okay, so the difference between them two. Okay, now let's put in the blue with glitter. It's kind of like, yeah, you can tell that it was blue. Like, it's so like gray blue type of thing. Okay, good. So I'm gonna go ahead and guess that it's already done mixing. So really pretty pink with glitter color. Maybe purple actually. Yeah, I think. Now we're just gonna make a little hole for some lotion because it's a little firm. Like that. And that's enough. Let's go find out now. My god, you can't even tell that it was there. There you go. Now it's mixing. Oh, and I can feel it on my. Oh, I can feel it. Okay, I actually can really feel it. Let me just. a little over exaggerating, but my next video is gonna be reacting to my video, to my to my other video. Yeah. My old videos. Oh god, so heavy. By the way, guys, with the search for 100 baby challenge, I recorded an episode and it got deleted. Okay, so here we go. There we go. All done. Final slime. I think it's purple. Yeah, it's purple. Like plum color. Looks pink on camera, I think. Yeah. Really pretty. Come on. I can only do one part of the slime at a time. Okay, calm down. Calm down. There are horses. Like that. Turn, 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 turn. And it fell. Here we go. Taking forever, guys. Keeps on coming down. Calm down. Jesus Christ. Sorry, I didn't mean it like if you're religion. You're a Christian. I didn't mean it like to be mean. Okay. I'm not a Christian, so not that I know of actually. I don't know if that what religion I believe in. 34, 34, 34. Perfect. Look at that. Then I close the bag and it's full. And there you go. And that. And I'm going back full. We have some blue. Mix that in real quick. Was a really fun. All my friends are toxic. I'm ambitious. So rude and always negative. I take long breaks whenever I'm doing the 100 baby challenge because it's kind of like a lot. I haven't even had one baby, but my body. Oh my god, no, 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 no. You should subscribe to the other week. He's really cool. There we go. Two bags for slime. I think the This one's more full, so I'm gonna sell it for $10. This one's just supposed to be for $7. She took an hour to make opening. Let me just go ahead and put some of this here. Oh, that's empty. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Got on the carpet. Almost got on the carpet. Thank the Lord, thank the Lord, thank the Lord. One full bag. Then my Oreos are just over there. That's so cute. I want to save these to make a squish ball thing. This is like 800 Oreos. I'm guessing. I'll get more next time I go to Target, so I could like, or maybe I can record the process by having enough sanity to do that, because it was an overnight thing. And I'm gonna hopefully start doing vlogs, and I'm gonna go have an. Oh, this is gonna break. Have an amazing day. Bye.